I'm the type to go and bring her on me, take her on vacation. I've been certified my whole life, come check my registration. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. I got a stick in here and a drum in the back, but please don't estimate them. Man, it's shaking so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. Got that money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick you out of my house right now, I call it a dead name.